So here we are. Where are we, Mama? We are
Good morning. We're in Roatan.
This is day number 4. We're starting day number 4.
And we have an excursion scheduled today. We're super excited. This is Carnival's private island. So you're gonna have to come hang out and join us.
Yep, generally we come here and we just hang out at the private island, which is over there, and enjoy all the amenities of Carnival. But this time we decided to go ahead and go on an excursion, and yeah, we'll show it to you in just a little bit.
Yep. Let's go.
Of course, the first place we get to is the shops. Check this out. They got everything from cigars to shirts to liquor to cigarettes to perfumes to jewelry. And the crocolakas. Check out the crocolakas. Are those interesting or what? Oh, we got them in different colors too. Oh, we got baby sharks too. Baby sharks, that. We're down in the port now. Over here in Honduras at Roatan. They've got all the port stuff, all the shopping you could want. We'll be heading to our excursion. Hold on. Way over there.
In the trees.
So everybody, welcome again to Roatan. I'm going to be explaining you guys a little bit of what our Bay Island, okay? Roatan is 36 miles long, 4.7 wide, and its widest part, everyone. We have around 1,900 residents living here. We have over 25 public schools and around 30 private schools. We have 1 public university and we have 1 private university here, guys. Most of all of the locals, they travel to the mainland to go to the university. Why? Because they are better and more, they're better. That's the one we have here. So a lot of locals, they travel back and forth to go to the university on the mainland, everyone. We have a ferry that takes place on this side. We have 2 ferries that can take you to the mainland, everyone. It takes you 2.5 hours to get to the mainland on a ferry. If there's no high waters, it takes you 2.5 hours. If there's a lot of high waters, it will be 3 hours and 20 minutes to arrive to the mainland on a ferry. If you take a flight, it's 15 minutes. You will be landing on mainland airport. It takes you, it's less time consuming, but it's a little bit more expensive than you do on a flight. If you go on a ferry, it's more cheap, but it's more time consuming. You'll be hours traveling. Any question? Because we live on a little island here, we have the 2nd biggest reef in the world, everyone. The first one is in Australia.
This is pretty. snorkeling tours, kayak rentals, paddle boards, snorkel gear rental, and floats. That's your prices on those. Love the duck. Love the duck. So, and this is just called Activity Center del Solmar.
What's up, buddy?
Howdy, howdy.
What you doing today?
All right.
Anything you need, you got it.
They got the restrooms back here that also have changing rooms in them. The ones over there closer to the beach are only restrooms. They have no changing rooms in them. Got more chairs. And one thing about here is they've got plenty of trees. So if you like being in the shade, you can be in the shade. If you like being in the sun, you can be in the sun. But down here, there is not a whole lot to the beach. It is downhill big time. So that's why you can find seats that are in the sun and seats that are in the shade. You know, depends on what you want, and you can still be close to the beach where everybody's going to be at. You see those buoys out there? That is the end of the swimming lane. If you get past that, you will end up in the reef. Now, this is the second largest reef in the world, and they are very protective about their reefs. So they try and make it to where you don't get anywhere near them, because you can do some prison time. So we go with that. We got some outdoor showers way over there, so that way you can clean up before you get back on the bus. All right, here is the menus. Not sure if you can read that. It's got both the food, the alcoholic drinks, but this is all drinks right here. Ooh, got the rum, gotta have the rum. Yep, all of this is just drink here. That's what they offer. Over here, this over here is where we're sitting at. Now you can see we got some chairs that are in the sun, some that are in the shade. It's whatever you want to do. You can get crispy crittered, or you can shellac. That's all up to you. So got them hammocks out in the water. Yep. Look pretty nice. I might have to go out there and shellac in one of those.